Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago with 35mm reversal film for fashion. Well, I have this image and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Use filter called Find Edges. And today I want to try some dry media type, like a color pencil texture type image. Well, I try to make some kind of illustration image from photograph. That's these days I'm studying, learning some. Well, let's get started. Okay, now I'm gonna first of all, I'm gonna see this pencil drawing type image. Change blend mode to, let's see, darken, multiply. These images are pretty cool. Colors so kind of cool, isn't it? Well, and let's see, lighten, screen, overlay. This is kind of cool. I used the last time I painted this. The shining, this costume. Well, let's try luminosity. Now go for luminosity 100%. I'm gonna select multiple, both two layers and duplicate layers. Now I'm gonna merge selected to get one image. And this is same colors, so I'm gonna duplicate this layer and I'm going to change the blend mode. Well, I want to try a linear burn this time. It's pretty much dark. And then I'm going to merge down. Okay, now I'm going to move this pencil drawing type image on top. Then bring back to normal. Okay, then turn it off to keep it. Now let's see, change blend mode on this. Color burn. I kind of like this color. Yeah, let me try that. In this case, okay, I'm going to change the name, rename all three of them first before I forget. Okay, we got the original image and luminosity effect image, then pencil drawing type image. Now I'm going to duplicate this original image. Then move one of this, go up. Then I'm gonna use shadow detail later. Open up, this shows this much of the detail of the shadow side. Okay, now I'm going to turn it off, pencil drawing type image and also the original image. Now I'm going to make mask, create empty mask. Then invert mask. Base image is going to be this one, right? So I can duplicate layer. Then one of this is base image, new base image. So I'm going to cut mask. No mask on this. This is the base image. Then blend mode should be normal. Okay, this is the base image. Okay, then just keep this original image right now. This is a base image, so I'm going to change name. Okay, base image, luminosity effect layer. I'm going to make mask, right? So I'm going to reveal on this with C. Dry media to base image. This is luminosity effect layer. Then this one is same, but change the blend mode color burn. So I got a base image, move down all the way bottom. Now I'm going to turn on this image. If I reveal this mask, shows this way. Okay, I'm gonna cut this mask. Now we see this image. If I hide this, shows this image. So which means I'm gonna make mask on this base image, original image. I have another original image here. So I'm gonna make mask on this. Create empty mask. Invert this mask. Then I'm gonna hide this. That's right, I'm confusing. Hide, which means reveal, to show this image. Now I'm gonna reveal, change the brush, dry media to pastel square. I don't know about this texture, kind of thin. Yeah, this is kind of interesting. This is how much you want to show this base image. Same time, how much you want to hide. Then how you show it. How you paint it. That's the point of the expression, huh? Okay, now about her face. I want to smudge this face. Let's see. Smudge tool. Same dry media. Now rough pencil. Oh, it's much better, I think, to smudge. Sort of retouching to get out of this dust. Pretty much. Okay, I'm gonna touch up later or smooth it out later. Okay, now back to reveal this. Same brush, pastel square. Okay, I want to see this image here. Turn on this base image, turn on this pencil drawing image to get this detail here, right? So I'm going to make mask on this original image. Create empty mask, then invert mask to get some detail on her hair. Now I'm going to review that's interesting. We got some effect from this pencil drawing type image. Oh, I think I got something interesting finding, new finding. We got to blend more effect from these two layers, color burn effect and add overlay effect on this pencil drawing type image. Yeah, now we see that. I'm gonna just leave this effect this is the way. That's interesting expression too. Well, that's pretty cool. Okay, showing this hair detail now. Yeah, go for first. Let's see this image. Okay, I'm gonna review this. Now I gotta smudge this pencil drawing type image. Smudge this scratchy pencil. Now I can smudge later. To touch up this. Okay, it's time almost. Now we get this kind of interesting image. Hey, right on. I think I'm gonna make this. Yeah, I need some to get this image. I have to mask this, so I'm gonna create empty mask. Now I'm gonna hide image. Picks up color. Well, almost. I guess this is these colors I add, and this one is pencil drawing type image. Change blend mode to overlay to get this effect, and underneath this is the original image, and this one is too. We got the base image this is luminosity image layer. Change blend mode to color burn to get this effect. Well, I guess that's it for this image. The original this is the original. To get mask effect, same thing, add detail, add another effect, then outside colors. Well, that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of creative idea for your creative work, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and I hope you guys have a nice day, and well, see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.